If you were able to catch this move when price broke below previous day low about 2 hours after market open, you might be the most patient trader ever. So this is the 2-minute chart. Funny enough, I usually walk away after about 2 hours after market open, and that's when I'm done trading. I try not to overtrade. Usually if I stay past that time, I end up giving back gains. So I try to stay away from trading past that time. But man, I wish I stayed, honestly. So again, I missed that huge move down here, but I still was profitable in the open. Let me show you how. So I like to keep track of key levels, and the first thing that I saw was that pre-market, we were in a bit of a range right here, as you can see. Once I saw that price broke below pre-market low right here in the first few minutes of the open, I had an idea to go short for my first trade. The second thing I look for is that EMAs are aligned both bullish or both bearish. In today's case, bearish, since we broke below key levels, and it needs to be aligned on a multi-time frame level. So on the 2-minute chart, this blue line is below the purple line. This 9 EMA is below the 21 EMA. On the 10-minute chart too, 9 EMA is below the 21 EMA, as you can see here. So EMAs are aligned on a multi-time frame level, 2-minute and 10-minute chart. That tells me it's fine to go short. That's my thesis. So now I go back to the 2-minute chart and I look for entries on green candle pullbacks into the EMAs that we just talked about. So for me, I actually went short on this green candle right here. It pulled back into the 9 and 21 EMA, or just 9 EMA, I think. And that's when options premiums are on sale, but still following trend down. And you can have a good stop loss. So again, I took the trade on this candle at this time at 9:42 a.m. New York time. Set my stop loss just above those previous candle wicks. And I set my take profit area here so that my risk reward ratio was 2.5. 2.5 is a pretty high take profit area. Usually I go for 1.5 to 2, at least on my first take profit area. So as you can see, the trade played out almost immediately. First take profit area hit, and I actually scaled out a little bit more once I saw this next red candle, how strong it was. So here's when I sold my QQQ puts, and I actually shorted MNQ too on my futures account. Pretty good profits on the day. I left 1 or 2 runners just in case it ran a little bit more. But yeah, as you can see, we kind of chopped around a bit for the next 2 hours really. My trailing stop loss hit, so I stopped out, and my trade was a little bit green, which I'm okay with. But after this, I stopped trading because as you can see, just look at this chop. It just, the whole time. Just seeing that, I didn't even want to trade the rest of the day. I was like, okay, it's choppy now. Like we had a good push up the day before, or Monday, I think, and then a sell off on Tuesday. So again, I walked away. After that, I was like, okay, I'm fine with small green. I'd rather have green than red, obviously. And then yeah, look, this happened. We broke below previous day low. I should have known. I had that level marked anyways. We broke below previous day low, and it was just strong selling for about 30 minutes. So if I stayed at my desk for an extra 30 to 45 minutes, I probably would have been able to capitalize on this move a little bit. But either way, I was green on the day. I followed my strategy, and that's a win for me. That's just one of my strategies that I showed you. But if you're interested in learning more about my strategies and how I trade, then click the link in my bio. There, we're doing a free 7-day trial to the group. And you get personalized access to me, a chat there, and you get my entries and my exits and insights on why I'm taking specific trades. I also do a live stream every single weekday for about 2 to 3 hours after market open. If you don't want to do that, it's all good. At least do me a favor, like this video, maybe drop me a follow too. It helps grow the page, and I also post free educational content like this every single day.